The Friendship of Dolphin Lulu and Whale Polo. In the deep blue ocean, there lived a little dolphin named Lulu and a big blue whale named Polo. Lulu was playful and loved to jump and swim fast. Every morning, she would leap high out of the water, splashing everywhere and making her sea friends laugh. Polo, the blue whale, was huge and very wise. His voice could be heard from far away in the ocean. He loved to sing and tell old stories about life under the sea. One day, Lulu got lost while chasing a group of tiny fish. She swam too far and didn't know how to get back home. "Hello, can anyone help me?" Lulu cried. Suddenly, a deep and gentle voice echoed through the water. "Don't worry, Lulu, I'm here." It was Polo. Using his strong singing voice, he called all the sea animals to help. Together, they made a safe path so Lulu could swim back home. From that day on, Lulu and Polo became best friends. Lulu learned many things from Polo, like how to keep the ocean clean, respect other animals, and the importance of teamwork. They often swam together, shared stories, and invited other sea creatures to help protect the ocean. Lulu and Polo saved the coral garden. One sunny morning under the sea, Lulu and Polo were playing hide and seek with their sea friends. They swam through seaweed forests and behind colorful rocks, laughing happily. Suddenly, Lulu stopped swimming. "Polo, look over there," she said, pointing with her fin. In the distance, the coral garden, usually full of bright colors and happy fish, looked gray and quiet. "Oh no, something's wrong," Polo said. They swam closer and saw that plastic trash had covered the corals. Bottles, bags, and nets were everywhere. The little fish had no place to hide, and the coral looked sick. Lulu felt sad. "We have to do something, Polo." Polo nodded. "Let's call our ocean friends. Together, we can clean this up." Lulu zoomed through the ocean, calling the turtles, crabs, seahorses, and even the tiny clownfish. Polo sang his deep, loud whale song, and the sound echoed through the ocean, calling help from far away. Soon, all the animals came together. The turtles used their strong shells to push plastic away. The crabs snipped and cut the nets with their claws. Lulu and her dolphin friends carried trash to the surface. Even a group of friendly humans on a boat helped pull the trash out of the water with nets. After hours of teamwork, the coral garden was bright and clean again. The fish danced between the coral, and the sea sparkled. "Yay, we did it!" shouted Lulu. "You see, Lulu," said Polo with a smile, "when we work together, even big problems can be solved." That night, all the sea animals had a big celebration. They sang, danced, and made a promise to always protect their ocean home. The mysterious glow in the deep sea. One peaceful night, while the ocean was calm and the stars twinkled above, Lulu couldn't sleep. She was floating beside Polo, watching glowing jellyfish drift by. Suddenly, a strange blue light flickered deep below them. "Polo, did you see that?" Lulu whispered. Polo opened one eye. That's not normal," That part of the ocean is very deep. It's too dark for anything to glow like that. Lulu's eyes sparkled with curiosity. Let's explore it. Maybe it's a hidden treasure. Polo chuckled. All right, little explorer, but we must be careful. They swam down, deeper and deeper. The water grew colder and darker. Strange fish with big eyes and glowing tails swam past them. Lulu stayed close to Polo's giant body, feeling safe. Finally, they reached a huge cave glowing with blue light. Inside, they found something amazing. A glowing crystal surrounded by tiny glowing creatures. But the crystal was trapped under a heavy pile of metal junk, old anchors, cans, and fishing gear. It's beautiful, whispered Lulu, but it's stuck. Polo took a deep breath. This crystal helps the deep sea animals see in the dark. If it stays trapped, many creatures will lose their light. Lulu called for help. This time, deep sea animals came to help. Glowing squids, giant crabs, and even a grumpy old anglerfish. Together, with teamwork and strength, they moved the heavy junk away. The moment the crystal was free, it glowed brighter than ever, lighting up the entire cave. All the animals cheered. The deep sea sparkled with colors never seen before. You did it, Lulu, said Polo. Your bravery led us here, and we couldn't have done it without you. Polo, Lulu replied with a big smile. From then on, the glowing cave became a secret meeting place where sea creatures gathered to share stories and adventures. Moral lessons from Lulu and Polo's ocean adventures. Be kind, be helpful, be curious, and always take care of our ocean and friends. Together, we can make the world a better place.